This is a 2009 Toyota Corolla LE. And what we did here is a three-step process. We did a clay bar service. We did a polish service on this. And we also sealed this with Teflon. Also, again, like I said, this is a white vehicle. They are the hardest to do. We're going to take a little bit of a walk around to show the work that we did here at George's Mobile Detail. Nice upshot of the hood. Nice glare, nice clarity. On this one, the customer did not want the engine done, so we was going to show the engine on this one, but then again, we will do that in the next one, hopefully. We used body shop quality materials again. We used expert products on this. Look at the glare, look at the clarity, look at the shine. Let's open up the back here and take a look inside the interior. We used a Mytee Lite 2 extractor on the interior. Heats the water up to 210 degrees. Go in the front here and show a little bit in the front. Clean and condition the jams. Now if I take this camera and I point it down towards the hood, it should snowball white. Now if I get a little bit of the glare from outside, you're going to see that. We also did the headlights on this one. They were fogged up, hazy, yellowed. Now they have real nice depth and clarity in them. We used a PTFE Telon Paint Sealer on the headlights, which is a 1500 degree paint protectant that lasts 12 to 15 months. Also with the other headlight as well. We guarantee our services on our headlight for 12 to 15 months. If they become yellow, cloudy, hazy, or fogged, we will redo them for free. Like I said again, this was only a three-step process. This did not involve compound. This was just polish only, and a clay bar service also as well. And the clay bar service is what cleans the clear coat. It also gives it glare, clarity, and shine also as well. We're going to bring this video to an end, and please give us some thoughts and thumbs up, and especially we do need some new subscribers. That's very important to us. Wanted to thank Peter Dolan over in Sydney, Australia. I wanted to thank Roger Lomberg also as well too as Matt. And I also wanted to thank the Wright family for the support that they're still giving me, all the friends of Martin, and also as well as the subscribers. Thank you, and God bless.